Hi, this is Keith with the Georgetown County School District, and today I'm going to show you a couple of things in Google Docs that everybody may not be aware of. The first is I'm going to show you how to insert a drawing into your Google Doc. Now, a lot of people will do this in Google Slides, but not necessarily into Google Doc. So let's go up here right above, and I'm going to use the Insert menu. I'm going to click here. And I'm going to say drawing, and I'm going to add a new drawing. It's going to bring up the Google Draw palette, and from there I can do whatever I want to. I can actually insert a picture, or I can type in something, and I'm going to just use the word Google Docs. And I think what I'll do is make it larger. And I think I'll come over here and make it bold and even change the color. And I think I even will center it on my page. And then I will shrink that up a little bit. Now when I hit save and close, it's going to insert that into my Google Doc. So there it is. I can actually move that around if I wanted to. Slide it over a little bit. If I want to do that, I'm just going to click on it and then I'll click the erase. I'll put it back in there just so you can see it again. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here a little bit below it. I'm going to insert it, and instead of inserting a drawing from something that I create, I'm going to insert it from Drive. So I've already got something created in here. Let's just say that I want to do this, which is a classifying non-living and living thing. So I'm going to click that and select it. And I'm going to say I want to insert it with a link, and it will pull that back up. And now I've got that inside my drawing. So if you want to sort of say something to your students and say, for example, and then show them an example of what you want them to do, and you've already got it drawn, you could do that. All right, so that's two things that you can do to insert. You can also just go up here and insert an image, and it will say upload from the computer, or you can search the web, or you can insert something from Drive. So any of those options that you have right there, or a photo. All right, and then the next thing I want to show you is how to restrict people from copying, editing, or sharing the document that you share. For example, if you have an IEP that you just want somebody to review and not copy, then you can do this action here that I'm going to show you. And the reason you want to do that is the confidentiality of things that you want to share with others. And what if they were to print it and accidentally leave it on the printer for a while, or forget that it was there? Then it's out there sitting for everybody to come by and see it. And sometimes even student helpers will be by the copying machine, and so you don't want anybody to see it. So let's go by how we do that. So I was going to go up here where it says share. I'm going to click on share, name it before. Let me do that. Let me go back up here and name the document before I'm just going to name it sample doc. There we go. All right, now it's named. And now I'm going to click share. And I'm going to get the shareable link. But instead of doing that, what I'm going to do is click down here where it says advanced. And then I can go ahead and put the people's names in right here that I want to share it with if I want to do that. I can change private, only you can access, or I can say anyone with a link, or anybody in Georgetown County. You've seen those before. I'm just going to make this on Georgetown County School District. You can find access, on anybody with the link, and save that. But now I don't want anybody else to be able to do that. So I'm going to, let's say for example, I'm going to share this with Mark Frechette. If I was going to share this with Mark Frechette and I didn't want him or anybody else that had it to copy it, then I'm going to click here, prevent the owners, editors from changing access, and disable options to download, print, or copy for comments and viewers. When I click save the changes here, and now when I click send here, it will send it to the person that I have named here, or if I wanted to come up and just use this link, and it will not allow them to do any changing of the access or adding new people to it to see, or allowing them to download, print, or copy for viewing. Hope this helps.